Are you working in IT support? Or maybe you're just looking to get into the tech industry, but you're confused by all the buzzwords? You hear cloud computing, you hear Linux, and you wonder, do I need to know both? The short answer is yes. And here's why. Combining Linux system administration with AWS Cloud skills is the single most effective way to upgrade your career right now. You stop being just a computer mechanic and you become a cloud infrastructure engineer. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what this role is, who can learn it, the certifications you actually need, and what the job market looks like. Let's dive in. First, let's simplify what this role actually does. Think of it this way. AWS is the virtual data center. It's where you rent the servers, the storage, and the networking. But Linux is the operating system that runs inside those servers. Did you know that over 90% of the public cloud runs on Linux? If you know AWS but you don't know Linux, you can launch a server, but you won't know how to manage it, secure it, or fix it when it breaks. A Linux admin with AWS skills manages the infrastructure and the engine. So who is this for? Do you need a computer science degree? No, you don't. This path is perfect for 3 types of people. 1. IT support or help desk professionals. If you are tired of resetting passwords and fixing printers, this is your next logical step. 2. Network engineers. You already know IP addresses and firewalls. That makes learning AWS networking very easy for you. 3. Complete beginners. Yes, you can learn this from scratch. You just need to be willing to type commands instead of clicking buttons. Now, let's talk about the golden path for certifications. Don't waste money on certifications that hiring managers don't care about. For Linux, I highly recommend the RHCSA. Why? Because it's a practical exam. You have to actually fix things during the test. It proves you have real skills. Once you have that, move to AWS. The best match for this role is the AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate. This focuses on operations and management, which fits perfectly with your Linux skills. Finally, let's look at the money. The market for just Linux admins is stable, but the market for Linux plus cloud is booming. Why? Because this is the stepping stone to DevOps. Entry-level pay for this combination is typically 30 to 40% higher than standard IT support. And once you gain experience here, you naturally move into site reliability engineering or DevOps, which are some of the highest paying roles in the industry. If you want to start today, for online and classroom training, please contact Venkat, +91 905 986 8766. If you want me to make a video on the top 10 Linux commands you need to know for the cloud, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech career guides. I'll see you in the next video.